It's a certified 2020 Toyota Corolla. When a car leaves such a striking impression, it's perfectly normal to stare. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: smart device navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and LED low and high beam headlights. The Car Connection notes the front seats are comfortable and Toyota has lengthened their cushions. Despite that, the Corolla will seat 4 6-footers without front seat occupants having to slide their seats far forward. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Giant Carson Toyota, just off I-405 at the Wilmington exit in Carson, California. Take us for a ride.